Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. If you've watched my channel before, you already know that I love Tekton. And today we're going into another product from Tekton that is made in the USA. If you've watched my channel, you know I've had Tekton for a few years and absolutely love their products. And not just because of the price, but because of the quality, the effort that they put into it. They listen to their customers. They're always recreating, re-engineering, and redesigning their tools to improve them and to make their customers happy. This is a tool company that actually listens to their customers. They also have a great no-hassle warranty, a couple of great programs, kind of like the student program that gets you 30% off, 5% back in rewards, free shipping, and like I said, they're always guaranteed warranty. It's simple as this. If you guys haven't heard of Tekton, their link is down in the description for you guys. Whether or not you can use this student program, even if you can't, you still make an account with them. Whatever you purchase from them, you get 10% off. That 10% off goes onto your account, and it's cash that you can use towards your next purchase on the Tekton website. I think that's a great deal. So Tekton's got a lot going on for them. So I just want to quickly mention before we get into this punch set, one of the biggest things that I love about Tekton is that when they first started putting out tools, they got feedback from customers realizing, this product isn't good. This is what's wrong with it. This product is having this issue. They didn't just, yes, they have that lifetime warranty, but customers don't like to have to warranty a product out. And, a tool company doesn't like to have to do that. So what did they do? They took the input and they re-engineered and redesigned the tools, and they've slowly been doing this ever since they've been getting feedback. So, for example, their screwdrivers, switched made in the USA, really, really nice screwdrivers. Their ratchets, they're now slimmer, stronger, higher tooth count. You can get it non-quick release or quick release, beautiful ratchets. Their wrenches, everything has a beautiful chrome job. That's one of the things I love about Tekton is the chrome job of their tools. Their pry bars, they used to have a thinner shaft, a little flexible, cheaper handles. Now they're thicker shafts, made in the USA, better handles. I mean, they even released an angled wrench set made in the USA for a killer price. I mean, all of Tekton's stuff is really well priced, but they've done a really good job listening to their customers and making a great tool. So just keep that in mind. And even with their USA made stuff and everything, it's all got that lifetime no hassle warranty. So let's get into this set. So this is going to be part number 66564. Once again, lifetime warranty. This is called their Gunsmith punch set. So yes, it's primarily used for firearms, but it can also be good in many other professional fields as well, or just DIY stuff around the house. So this is an 18-piece set. You get the solid walnut bench block. Really nice little bench block. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom. Everything, if you can see that. The laser engraved Tekton, as well as the size and name of each punch. So that's really nice. So sit nicely in the toolbox or on a shelf or anything like that, workbench. And then all the punches and stuff come in little boxes, and the block is wrapped up nicely as well. So 18 pieces, and it's all made in the USA. The great thing is it's only $50. If you've ever looked at USA made punches, they're not cheap. So this is a really good deal. 18 of them for $50, that's a really good deal. And that what's included, you'll get pin and roll pin punches, as well as a couple solid punches and a center punch. So over here you're going to have your center punch. All of the rest of the front row is going to be the roll pin. These two over here are going to be your solid punches for more strength. And then you have your pin style in the back as well. So a wide variety of punches here, really well made. Another great thing is it's a natural finish with a rust preventive coating on it. So it'll resist that rust. Really nice finish to it. Really clean punches. As you can see, each one has an engraving of the size, USA, its individual part number and Tecton, because you can go on their website and you can buy each one of these individually if you would like, as well as other more automotive geared punches and stuff, which we'll be doing videos on as well, punches and chisels and more stuff like that. So I just wanted to specifically go over this set, but they do have a much larger selection on their website where you can purchase them in sets or individually for really good prices, and you get that 10% off. But I'll go into that more later. So, natural finish, rust preventative coating, all made of premium high carbon steel. That's great because it's been heat treated, hardened tips, and yet the back half maintains a softer tamper. So basically when you're striking this end, it's not going to shatter it, yet you're still going to have that nice hard end to it. So really good punches here, made in the USA. I can't say much more. I mean, I love it. We'll be using it here soon because I got a lot of suspension and brake work and a lot of custom work I'm going to have to do on the Camaro coming soon once all my parts come in. So stay tuned for that. But once again, Tekton's website will be a link down in the description for you guys, 10% back or the 30% if you can get onto that student program. And then also down in the description, I'll have a link to all my Amazon tools that I suggest, car parts, electrical tools, stuff like that. So please let me know your guys' thoughts of Tekton. I already told you why I love Tekton, but please, if you've heard of them and you've used them, please let me know your guys' thoughts, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And stay tuned for my next couple videos, which will also be Tekton related. I got more tools to go over. Also, USA made tools. So that's something a lot of people love. See you guys next time.